Everyone likes to travel to different places and stay in hotels. Stopping in different hotels and enjoying the outdoor views from the windows gives us pleasant feeling. But have you ever noticed this thing about a hotel room? Why white color bed sheets are used in hotels? Almost all hotels uses white color bed sheets. But why? Why do different color bed sheets not to be used in hotels? Does doing so affect the economy of the hotel? Do hotels benefit from using white color bed sheets? So let's know in this video. Any hotel, whether it is luxurious hotel or a normal hotel, white bed sheets are used in almost all hotels. In fact, there are number of reasons behind using the white bed sheets in hotels. White bed sheets placed on the beds in any hotel shows that the cleanliness in the hotel is excellent, because white color bed sheets become easily dirty than any other color bed sheets, and these white color bed sheets need to be replaced immediately. Psychologically, this idea sits easily in the mind of the customer staying in hotel that the hotels are quite clean and the work here is very excellent. If we decorate any room with white color objects and also keep its bedsheet or pillow white, so all these white color things create an impact in the customer's mind, and any customer can easily understand that this room has been renovated recently. There is another great advantage to keep white color bed sheet in hotel. Whenever these white colored bed sheets need to be washed, then without any trouble you can keep the white colored bed sheets for washing with other items, because all the other dirty things in the room, such as towel and other white colored clothes, all those dirty clothes can be also be washed with white colored bed sheets. By washing all these clothes together, there is no problem of mixing their colors, because everyone's color is white. Therefore, all the white colored objects present in the hotel can be washed very easily. White color bed sheets used in the hotel show the simplicity of the hotel. If a hotel has 200 beds and the size of all those beds is same, so in such a condition, you don't need to worry that which bed sheet should be fitted with the bed. Any bed sheet can be used on the top of another bed. White color shows transparency. When a customer stops in the hotel room looking at the white bed sheets, he guesses the simplicity and specificity of the hotel, and in this way, the white color bed sheet also helps in increasing the economy of the hotel. Now we will know some unique facts about the hotel that you have never heard before. Shao Kao Fai, a housekeeping staff member of the Cordile Hotel in the Hong Kong, earned the Guinness World Record for the fastest time to make a bed by an individual in a quick 1 minute and 9 seconds. The Hotel Herbaz is located both in Switzerland and in France, as the border runs through it. Swiss-France border bisects the honeymoon bed as well as divides the dining room, kitchen, hallway and several rooms. At $100,000 per night, the Empathy Suite Sky Villa at the Palms Casino Resort in the Las Vegas is the most expensive hotel room to stay in. The Ismailovo Hotel in the capital of Russia has the most beds in a single hotel. This Moscow property has 7,500 beds within its walls. The Air Hotel Hotel in the Hamburg, Germany holds the record for being the smallest hotel in the world. At just 570 square feet, it can only accommodate 2 guests at a single time. The Grand Hills Hotel and Spa in Bromana holds the title for the property with the largest hotel in the world. Its royal residence offers a jaw-dropping 44,465 square feet of floor space spread out over 3 pavilions and 7 stories. The Niziyama Onsen Kaunkan is the oldest hotel in the world, having its grand opening in 705 CE. So please like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to watch such amazing videos.